In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header and footer in Shopify's Refresh theme, specifically the 2025 version. This tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring that by the end, your Shopify store is not only visually appealing, but also reflects your brand's unique identity. We're going to start by looking at how to customize the header. So first things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Online Store, and then on Themes. You should see your Refresh theme listed there. Next to it, there's a Customize button. Click that to enter the theme editor. At the top of this page, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From there, you can choose which page's header you'd like to customize, whether it's the home page or any other page you prefer. Once you've made your selection, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Click on Header to begin editing the header content and layout. Here's where the fun begins. You have quite a bit of flexibility here. You can upload your logo, resize it, and even adjust its alignment to better fit your design preferences. If you have a navigation menu in mind, select whether you want to display the main menu or a custom menu. Additionally, you have the option to toggle the visibility of icons, such as search, cart, and account icons. If you plan on running promotions or offering shipping messages, you might find enabling the announcement bar particularly useful. You also have the choice to change the header's background color or make it transparent, providing a tailored look to your store. If you're keen on adjusting the header's height or spacing, some of these options might be located under Theme Settings in the Layout section within the left menu. Make sure that your logo and menu are perfectly aligned for both desktop and mobile views. Once you're satisfied, remember to save your changes. Now, let's move on to customizing the footer. You'll still be in the theme editor, and you can either scroll down or select Footer from the left sidebar. Here, you can edit various footer blocks. For instance, you might want to add menu links such as Shop, About, or Contact to aid navigation. If you're considering growing your subscriber list, adding a newsletter sign-up form could be beneficial. Furthermore, connect your social media accounts by adding icons for platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Moreover, you can toggle the display of payment method icons, which can enhance trust and convenience for your customers. For design adjustments, you have the option to change the footer's background color. This can be done under Theme Settings in the Colors section. In terms of text, play around with the alignment, padding, and spacing to achieve a cohesive look. If you have specific badges, trust seals, or certifications, including a custom HTML block might be the way to go. Once you've tailored everything to your liking, give it a final review and save your work. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a Shopify store that not only captures attention, but also enhances user experience through a well-structured header and footer.